So in storage class analysis, let us see with hands-on. We will do it in the AWS console thing. Okay. So right now I am in the AWS S3 bucket, and if you come to here, there is something called metrics. And if you come here, you can see something called create analytics configuration. So what you have to do is you have to create an analytics configuration and you have to enter the name. So I am going to enter as this is my storage class analysis report for the bucket. You can give any name, and after that, if you want to apply to a specific folder, you can add that folder. But I'm going to apply for all the objects in this one, and you are going to enable it. And this what will happen is all this report will be stored on this. So whenever you it's going to analyze what all the objects are there in the S3 bucket, and that report will be stored on this particular destination folder. You can give any destination folder. I am going to give something called in bucket sample, and I will give as here, so such that it will upload the data on here. Okay, so let me choose this path and let me configure it. So what happened, it is take some time and it will show the report after some time. So until that, we will pass the video. Hi, now after sometimes this report is got generated. So if you see here, this is the one we have created. So now what we'll do is we go to the second one, we'll go to uh, this particular bucket, and because my report is stored on this one, so it's stored as CSV file. So we'll click on this and we'll try to open it. So it will try to open the file, and since we already downloaded, let me open it once again. And what we'll do is we'll open this file because I already opened this one. So once you see opened it, it will open like this format. Okay. And if you see here, today is March, so everything is standard tire. Okay. And if you see it this much, since we have not uploaded big size, you don't see the in MB actually, it's in. But if you see for different dates, actually, I used the standard. You can see the period, and I have uploaded on, for example, I have uploaded six objects on this particular files. So it's showing, okay, this much MB it is uploaded. And similarly, you can able to see for different uh, dates. So in 26th of Feb, you can see six objects, and this reports gives an idea how many objects uploaded, how many days it was there in this particular in this storage class. So based upon that, you can take a decision. So that's the beauty of using the storage analysis section. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.